Question 13 is similar to question 10, the one that I've just gone through about forming an expression for the perimeter. Now this one is different. We've got a triangle. And what we've got to do is we've got to show that the triangle below is not a right angle triangle. So let's unpick that. We've got a triangle. We've got the angles inside. So what we know is angles inside a triangle adds up to 180. So these three angles make 180. What we've got to do is we've got to prove that none of them are 90. Okay, so none are 90 degrees. And we've got to prove that. So we've got to know what x is. So what we're going to do is we're going to form an equation first. And what we know is that this plus this plus this equal 180. So that's forming our equation. So we've got 5x minus 17 plus 2x plus 9 plus x plus 20. And that equals 180. So the three angles add up to make 180. So what we've got to do now is we've got to simplify this like we did on the other question. So we're going to collect the x's together. 5 plus 2 plus 1. So we've got 8 x's. And then we've got negative 17 plus 9 plus 20. Now, this is a calculator paper. I haven't used one yet, but this could be the point where you decide, oh, I'm going to use a calculator for this bit. So let's do it. We've got negative 17 plus 9 plus 20, and it gives me 12. Okay, and that equals still 180. We've got to find the value of x. So we're going to solve this now. So if you remember rightly, what we're going to do next is we're going to take 12 from each side. So we're left with 8x on the left, and it equals 168. To find 1x, we're going to divide each side by 8. So x equals, well, let's check, 168 divided by 8, 21. Okay, so I know that x is worth 21. Okay, and what we're going to do now is we're going to replace it in each of these so that we can figure out the size of the angles and show that none of them are 90. So let's start with the easiest one, which is this one. So x plus 20. And what we know is that x is 21. So 21 plus 20 is 41 degrees. So that's one angle. Okay, let's go for another one. Let's go for 2x plus 9. We know that 1x is 21. So 2 times 21 is 42. So we've got 42 plus 9 is 51 degrees. Again, it's not 90. This is good. If we get a 90, we've gone wrong somewhere. Okay, let's check the last one. So we've got 5x take away 17. Okay, so 5x is our 5 times 21, which is 105. And we're going to take away 17. So let's just double check it. Again, I'm doing this all in my head and I don't need to because it's a calculator paper. So 5 times 21 is 105. Take away the 17, 88. Okay, let's just check that we've done this right. Our three angles should add up to 180. So let's just check. 88 plus 51 plus 41, 180. So they definitely add up. So we've done it right. And what I can see is that I have shown that none of the angles are 90, which proves that it's not a right angle triangle.